Ever pondered about how the world around us operates? From the apple falling from a tree to the acceleration of a car on a highway, there is a hidden mathematical artistry at work. It's known as differential equations. These equations are like unseen puppeteers, guiding the ebb and flow of everyday phenomena. They're present in population growth, financial markets, even in the design of a sturdy bridge. So, what exactly are differential equations? Let's delve deeper. Imagine a recipe, but instead of baking a cake, we're creating motions. Now, I know that might sound a bit odd, but stick with me. Differential equations are like the recipe cards of the mathematical world. They represent mathematical formulas that don't just describe an object's position, but how that position evolves over time. Let's take a car on a highway, for instance. A differential equation can tell us not just where the car is, but also how it accelerates and decelerates. Imagine you're watching an apple fall from a tree. The differential equation can tell us the precise path that apple takes, from the moment it leaves the branch to the moment it hits the ground. And it's not just physical objects. Population growth, economic trends, even the temperature of your morning coffee, all can be described with the help of differential equations. In other words, differential equations are the master chefs of the mathematical world, cooking up the motions we observe in our daily lives. From the fall of an apple to the growth of a bacteria colony, differential equations are at play. They are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of our world. Consider population growth. Imagine a colony of bacteria multiplying in a petri dish. The rate at which the bacteria multiply, the changes in their population over time, can be predicted accurately by a differential equation. Now let's think about a bustling stock market. Traders and investors rely on differential equations to anticipate economic trends, to make informed decisions. How? By modeling financial markets, these mathematical formulas help predict price fluctuations, making the unpredictable predictable. And what about when you cross a bridge? The design of that bridge, its stability against changes and pressures, all of that is ensured by differential equations. They are the silent guardians, making sure the bridge stands firm, no matter the load. So whether you're checking your smartphone or crossing a bridge, you're benefiting from the power of differential equations. Scene script. Why does all this matter? Why should we care about these mathematical chefs? You may wonder. Well, differential equations are not just abstract concepts confined to the realm of academia. They are immensely practical and have profound implications in our daily lives. Think of them as the backstage directors of a grand play, subtly orchestrating every movement and shift. They help us understand and predict our environment, from the smartphones in our pockets to the navigation systems guiding spaceships in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Consider your smartphone, a marvel of modern technology. Every tap, swipe, and scroll is governed by differential equations, translating your actions into responses on the screen. Or consider space navigation. Plotting a course through the stars is no simple task. It requires precise understanding of forces, accelerations, and decelerations, all of which are described by, you guessed it, differential equations. Now let's bring it back down to Earth. From predicting population growth to modeling economic trends, these mathematical tools have a hand in it all. They allow us to make sense of complex systems and anticipate changes, arming us with the knowledge to make informed decisions. In conclusion, differential equations are the unsung heroes of our world, quietly shaping our understanding and prediction of the universe around us.